And I now give the floor to His Excellency Prak Sohon, Deputy Prime Minister, Minister for Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation of Cambodia.
Mr. President, distinguished delegates, let me start by congratulating Excellency Ambassador Tijani Muhammad Bande of Nigeria for your election as President of the 74th session of the United Nations General Assembly. We have full confidence in your leadership, and you can count on our support for the delivery of your mandate. Since the adoption of our founding charter, the world in general has been a better place. However, new conflicts emerge, some of which still persist today. Others have ravaged for decades. My country has the sad record of being one of the most bombed nations in the history of mankind, while it was at war with no one. Among its great merits, the United Nations is here to help to prevent these conflicts, modestly called regional conflicts, from degenerating into a full-scale global confrontation, especially during the Cold War. The end of the division of the world into two rival blocs gave rise to a new world order, as it was followed shortly by the emergence of new economic powers. These dramatic changes paved the way to a new reality, that of a multipolar world. This new world should allow peaceful coexistence between countries with different political systems, different religious and cultural references, different concepts of the economic role of the states, but where all agree to subject themselves to a number of common rules set in treaties, and that no state shall unilaterally reject. This multipolarity, though undeniable, still faces resistance and rebuke. On the pretext of the universality of certain values, some powers would impose their model of society and governance, thereby fomenting a new form of division of the world that reminds us of the worst moment of the Cold War.
And progress. I thank you.
Doy las gracias.
I thank His Excellency Prak Sohon, Deputy Prime Minister, Minister for Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation of Cambodia.